guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jasmine and Juju and Leah. Today, I'm here. I was scrolling through my comments and someone commented, I bet you don't have 15 food fidgets. So let's start. First I have this pineapple for 1, this hamburger for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Actually, someone commented about you don't have 30. Double count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Can you do something for me? Can you talk? 21. Can you do something for me? Then I have this ice cream nipple, this French fry nipple, this octopus, and this pineapple. This mini tomato thing in there. Now let's move on to profits. Hold on, let me double count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and I meant to say 45, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 30, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43. Looks like I have 43, so you win. See you guys later. Fidget slime. Peace.